The idea of K4 Analytics is to integrate planning and data collect functionality directly into your analytics platform by adding an extension that offers the possibility to use Excel templates as base for your planning interface and integrate these directly to, for example, Power BI. Analysis and planning will be done on the same data model, being able to use your master and fact data, as well as security settings from Power BI. Create one application where you can plan and analyze your data directly without having different user interfaces. Simply use your existing Power BI environment and enhance it with K4 Analytics. Build your custom Power BI applications fitting to your requirements. This is just an example of a potential sales dashboard with pure Power BI features to analyze your planning results versus actuals. You can, of course, also compare different planning versions and scenarios with each other. The content, data model, and use case is completely flexible, and depending on your use case, whether it's sales planning, project planning with different versions, or financial planning results. Just consider Power BI and K4 as a toolkit to build your solutions. Planning can be done directly in Power BI with the K4 visual, using Excel look and feel and data entry options. You can plan on cell level, having the option to split entry values on a lower granularity. For data entry, you can use Excel formulas, and if wanted, referring directly to other cells. You can plan on totals where you can enter absolute values or percentual changes, and the adjustments are automatically distributed over the single month in this case. Or you can go via drill down to a lower level if needed to accurately plan the details. Here are the single products, which dimensions are shown, and where to drill down depends on your personal data model and can be individually set. You can build up data models where you are able to save your values on different versions or scenarios. And you can use these versions to initialize new versions and scenarios if they are not locked. Setting up the column display like you need it. Implement overview and status analysis screens to have real-time transparency about the current working status, and add commenting options, as well as workflow options like changing a submission status in order lock planning versions or scenarios on your defined level. In order to navigate, use the Power BI slicers or as well Excel filters. Due to the common data model, Power BI objects can be linked to K4 Analytics objects. In this example, we are drilling from one item within a table to the details. Adjusting the values here within K4 could have a direct effect on the result of the capacity overview. You've got as well the possibility to directly change master data of your data model. Here we are simply switching the cost center of an employee. This setup could be as well configured for any other kind of master data criteria. Also, adding new master data is possible. The example shows how 2 new employees are added to the application. When refreshing the screen, both new entries are available for further planning activities. These were just some options what is possible with K4 Analytics. For more information, just contact us. Thank you for watching.